Hi, I'm Glenn. The reason why napunta ako sa coding bootcamp, it's because, to be honest with you, is I asked AI what's the simplest way on how to develop a website. Tapos, ChatGPT answered na to become a web developer. And then I tried to do research on what is the web developer. After that is nag-self-study muna ako for a year. And after a year, I feel lost. Parang wala akong direction when it comes to my learnings. So that's the reason why na I tried considering other options. And I went back to AI again, asking AI what are the options that I have now that I feel lost and self-studying. So yun, nasuggest niya na try enrolling web bootcamp. Actually, the reason why na I decided to venture to web development, it's because lahat ng tools ko sa current job ko, it's web-based. So everyday ko siya nakikita, everyday ko na-work on ang web, mga different websites. And out of nowhere, nagpop up na sa isip ko, wait, everyday ko to nakikita na website, pero paano nga ba ito ginawa? And every time nag-work ako na pwede naman lagyan ito, paano kaya to lagyan ng ganito, itong website nito? So, nagka-idea ko na, okay, I will try to learn this. I will try to learn web development. The good thing about mga Zuit instructor is sobrang friendly. Wala akong masabi sa pagiging friendly ng mga Zuit instructors. Tapos, nagre-research ko sila, parang nire-review nila mga profile namin bago mag-start ang class para magka-idea na sila kung paano nga ba nila ipipace ang lesson. Napaka-beginner friendly ng curriculum ng Zuit. Coming from me na wala talaga, zero background talaga when it comes to web development and coding, I can guarantee talaga na napaka-beginner friendly. Like, tuturuan ka talaga from pinaka-basic at fundamental para maintindihan mo kung para saan nga ba itong code na to, para saan syntax na to. And also, the good thing about the instructor as well is very knowledgeable sila on how to teach it in a very basic way na hindi siya magiging complicated for zero knowledge like actually, I was working full-time at that time nung nag-enroll ako sa Zuit. So I'm a part-time Zuit student. And the good thing about Zuit is very considerate siya, especially for us na part-time student na may nagtatrabaho full-time in the morning. Kasi Sir Rom or mga instructor, they always ask kung okay na if nakakasunod ba, or saan kami nahihirapan na medyo hindi nasunod, and they always repeat naman talaga kung saan medyo nahihirapan ang student or people like me na galing from Filipino major background or isang Bachelor of Secondary major in Filipino is always take the risk kasi hindi mo naman talaga alam kung ano ang magiging endpoint if hindi ka magti-take ng risk. So for me, I took the risk kahit wala akong alam sa web development, basta ang alam ko may passion ako na gusto kong matuto. And look at me. Sino ba naman mag-expect na from isang Filipino major magiging freelance web developer ngayon at magiging full-time software engineer na someday?